we are solving one more problem based on same concept. If 1 plus x to the whole power n equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus c3x cube plus c4x power 4 and so on till cn x power n, then find c naught plus c4 plus c8 plus c12 and so on. तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है. Now we'll solve this one. Okay, तो सबसे पहले चेक करते हैं न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स. So in this equation we will see all the numerical term is what 1. Second thing what we'll check sign. If we check here all are positive. Third thing we'll check difference between suffix in conjugated terms. So first term is what c0, second term is what c4. So what is the difference between suffix? That is 4. Next term is what c8. Difference between suffix is what? Again 4. Next term is what c12. If you check difference between suffix, that is also 4. Okay. So we got difference between suffix. So what we write? X power difference between suffix, that is 4 equal to 1 because all are positive. Correct. अब हम इसके रूट्स फाइंड करेंगे. So what will come? X power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So we can factorize. What will come? X square minus 1 into x square plus 1 equal to 0. Correct. X square minus 1 equal to 0. That means roots are what? X equal to 1 and minus 1. And x square plus 1 equal to 0. That means what? Roots are what? Iota and minus iota. तो x square minus 1 के रूट्स क्या आ जाएंगे? 1 minus 1 iota and minus iota. These are the 4 roots. हमें पता है iota की वैल्यू क्या होगी? रूट और माइनस 1. ओके, तो यहाँ से आइटा स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? आइटा स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? माइनस 1. ओके, नाउ आइटा क्यूब. आइटा क्यूब को हम लिख सकते हैं आइटा स्क्वायर इंटू आइटा एंड आइटा स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? माइनस 1. सो माइनस 1 इंटू आइटा इज व्हाट? माइनस आइटा. आइटा पावर 4. आइटा पावर 4 वी कैन राइट इज व्हाट? 1. नाउ आइटा पावर 5. आइटा पावर 5 वी कैन राइट इज व्हाट? आइटा पावर 4 इंटू आइटा एंड आइटा पावर 4 इज व्हाट? 1. सो व्हाट विल कम? आइटा. आइटा पावर 6. Iota power 6 we can write as what? Iota power 4 into iota square. Iota power 4 is what? 1. Iota square is what? Minus 1. So iota power 6 is what? Minus 1. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We'll put the values of x in this equation. So first we'll get x equal to 1. If you put here, what will come? Left hand side is what? 1 plus 1 to the whole power n. So if you put x equal to 1, left hand side will come 2 power n. Now right hand side what will come? C naught plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus so on. This will come. Now what will put? X equal to minus 1. So left hand side what will come? 1 minus 1, that is 0. And right hand side C naught plus C1 into minus 1. So what will come? Minus C1. So what will come? C naught minus C1 plus C2 minus C3 plus C4 minus C5 plus and so on. Correct. अब हम क्या पुट करें? X equal to iota here. So what will come? 1 plus iota to the whole power n equal to, okay, right hand side is what? C naught plus C1 into iota plus C1 into iota is what? Plus C1 iota plus C2 into iota square. Iota square is what? Minus 1. So what will come? Minus C2 plus C3 into iota cube. Iota cube is what? Iota cube is what? Minus iota. So what will come? Minus C3 iota plus C4 iota power 4. Iota power 4 is what? 1. So what will come? Plus C4. Correct. Plus C5 iota power 5. Iota power 5 is what? Iota. So what will come? Plus C5 iota and so on. Correct. अब हम क्या पुट करें? X equal to minus iota. So if you put x equal to minus iota, this will come what? 1 minus iota to the power n. So what will come? 1 minus iota to the power n equal to. Now right hand side is what? C naught as it is. Correct. C1 into minus iota. So what will come? Minus C1 iota plus C2 into minus iota square. Minus iota square is what? Iota square and iota square is what? Minus 1. So what will come? Minus C2. Correct. Plus C3 into minus iota whole cube. Minus iota whole cube we can add what? Minus iota cube and iota cube is what? Minus iota. So minus minus plus. So what will come? Plus C3 iota plus C4 minus iota to the power 4, that is iota power 4. Iota power 4 is what? 1. So what will come? Plus C4. Correct. Plus C5 minus iota to the power 5. So this will come minus iota power 5 and iota power 5 is what? Iota. So what will come? Minus C5 iota and so. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इन चारों इक्वेशन को ऐड करेंगे. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड what will come? 2 power n in bracket 1 plus iota to the power n plus 1 minus iota to the power n. Okay. Now right hand side is what? C naught plus C naught plus C naught plus C naught. So what will come? 4 times C naught. Correct? Now plus C1 minus C1, that is 0. Plus C1 iota minus C1 iota, that is also 0. Next what? Plus C2 plus C2 minus C2 minus C2. This is also getting cancelled. Now what? Plus C3 minus C3. So getting cancelled. Minus C3 iota plus C3 iota, that is also getting cancelled. What will come? Next was C4 plus C4 plus C4 plus C4. So what will come? 4 times C4. Next what? C5 minus C5, getting cancelled. Similarly what? C5 iota and minus C5 iota, that is also getting cancelled. Okay, similarly others also will come. So next term what will come? 4 times C8 will come and so on. Correct? हमें क्या चाहिए? C0 plus C4 plus C8. This अब हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं. So left hand side what will come? 2 power n plus 1 plus iota to the whole power n. Okay, so 1 plus iota we are writing in terms of Euler's form. Okay, so we know 1 plus iota. Okay, so 1 plus iota we can write as magnitude into e power iota argument. So magnitude is what? Root over 1 square plus 1 square into e power iota into argument. If you check, this one is what? 1 plus iota. So x is positive, y is also positive. So that means 1 plus iota lies in first quadrant. So argument is what? Theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 y by x. So 1 by 1. So what will come this one? Pi by 4. So 1 plus iota we can write as root over 1 square plus 1 square into e power iota pi by 4. So this will come out root 2 into e power iota pi by 4. Correct? So this side what will come? This we can write as what? Root 2 into e power iota pi by 4 to the whole power n plus 1 minus iota to the whole power n. So 1 minus iota we can write it in terms of Euler's form. So 1 minus iota. Correct? Same thing is what? Magnitude is what? Root over 1 square plus minus 1 square into e power iota. Okay. Now we'll find out argument. Okay. Here x is what? Positive, y is negative. So x positive, y negative in fourth quadrant. So argument is what? Theta equal to minus tan inverse modulus of minus 1 divided by 1. So यहाँ से argument क्या आ जाएगा? Minus pi by 4. So this side what you can write? 1 minus iota we can write as root over 1 square plus minus 1 whole square into e power minus iota pi by 4. So this will come out root 2 into e power minus iota pi by 4. Okay. So 1 minus iota we can write as what? Root 2 into e power minus iota pi by 4 iota to the whole power n. Okay. Right hand side में क्या करना है? We are taking 4 common. If we take 4 common, in bracket what will come? C0 plus C4 plus C8 plus so on. This will come. Okay. अब हम क्या करें? 2 power n plus this is what? Root 2 whole power n, and this is also root 2 whole power n. So what we are taking is root 2 whole power n we are taking common. In bracket what is remaining? E power iota n pi by 4 plus here also what is remaining? E power iota minus pi by 4 into n. So what is remaining? E power minus iota n pi by 4 in bracket equal to 4 times C0 plus C4 plus C8 plus so on. This is remaining. अब हम क्या करें? 4 we are taking in denominator. So what will come? 1 by 4 in bracket. This is what? 2 power n plus root 2 power n we can add is what? 2 power n by 2. And this is what? E power iota n pi by 4 plus e power minus iota n pi by 4. So this we can write as what? In bracket 2 cos n pi by 4 in bracket close equal to this is what? C0 plus C4 plus C8 plus so on. Okay. So this will come as 1 by 4 in bracket 2 power n plus 2 power n by 2 plus 1 into cos n pi by 4 in bracket equal to C0 plus C4 plus C8 plus so on. This is your answer.